In this video, I'm going to show you how we can move this entire website to the another hosting, or you can move it to the another domain also. So you can see this is the domain tcbdemo.com. Okay, and I want to move that website to my new domain that is called the TCB new demo. Okay, so first of all, we need to log in into our website. Enter your username and password and click on login button. Now we are in the dashboard. So click on the plugin and click on add new. Let's search here duplicator. And we need to install this plugin. This plugin have more than 4,000 reviews and 1 million active installation. Let's click on this active button. Now this is done. Now in the left side, you will see the duplicator option in the bottom side. Click on this and you can see the create new option. Let's click on this. Now we need to just make sure that is the name as it is. And now let's click on the next and wait some seconds to scan our website. Now everything is look fine here. Now let's click on the build option. So now as you can see here, package build completed. Now you can download both files here. So we have two files. One is installer.php. Click on this installer and you'll see the one file is downloaded, installer.php, and click on that archive file also, and it will take some seconds. Okay, now we need to move this website to this new domain. So for that, we need to access the file manager of our website. You can see this is the cPanel of my website. This is the new website, TCB new demo. Okay, now every cPanel have that option is called file manager. So after logging into cPanel, you need to open the file manager. In the file manager, you will see the option of public HTML _HTML. Just open that folder. Now you can see we have only one file, index.php. Now we need to delete this file. This is our new domain file. Okay. Now we need to upload both files that we have just recently downloaded. Now you can see we have just downloaded two files, installer.php and that archive file. Now we need to upload both files in the public HTML folder. So we can see this is the public HTML folder. Now click on the upload file and click on select file and drag and drop this file here. Just upload it. And now let's click on the upload option and we need to wait some seconds to upload this file. Now you can see both files is uploaded. Okay. Now first of all, we need to go to our cPanel. So open it. Now this is our cPanel. Now here in the bottom side, you will see here the option of MySQL database. So we need to create a database here. So click on this and you can see the database name TCB new DB and click on create database. You can use any database name and you can see we have some options like database name, username, and the password is here, and we have a server option also. So some hosting have that server option, but most of the have here the local host. Okay. So don't worry about that. Now make sure we need to just copy that database name and paste it here. That's the DB name like this. Okay. And we need to copy the password also and just save it here like this. Okay. And just save it. Now we need to create a username. So just click on the enter username, TCB username, select your database, this one, and generate a password. And copy that password and click on create MySQL user. Now make sure you need to save these information. Like this is the password for user, password, user, and you need to enter username also. So here is username is this one. Just copy that username and paste it here. Done. Now we have the DB name, DB password, username, and user password. Done. Now this is here done. Now you can see this is our website. Now it will look like this. If I will just enter that domain, it will look like this, forbidden. Now we need to use a slash and just type here installer.php because we have uploaded one file here, this one. Okay. And now just enter it. Now you can see initializing installer. Now we need to just scroll down. You can see the action, empty database. Yes. The host is localhost. So most of the hosting have the localhost. So you don't need to change it. But for my hosting, I need to change it. You can see this is the server. Just copy this. Okay. And just paste it in the host like this. Now database, we have the details. Its database name is this one. Just copy this, go here and paste it. Now you can see the username. So we have the username, this one. Just copy it and paste it. Now valid database user password. Okay, this is the user password, not a database password. So make sure this is the user password. We need to copy this and paste it. Now we need to validate it. It's correct or not. So let's click on validate and it's checking your password. If it's wrong, then you need to recheck your passwords. As you can see here, this is pass. That is done. Now let's click on the I have agreed and accept all the term notice and click on next. And let's click on the OK. It will take some seconds to transfer your website. Now it's done. Let's click on the admin login. You need to fill the same password that you have used in the previous website and click on login. You can see the site has been successfully migrated. Now let's click on the visit website and let's open this link. And you can see we have the entire website. This is the tcbnewdemo.com. As you can see here, this is the tcbdemo.com. The whole website as it is, we have transferred in here in the new domain, right? So this is really very easy process to transfer your website from one hosting to another hosting. Or you can transfer this entire website to your new domain also with the same method. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.